boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar Conan Gray, the title called Boys and Girls. So I just had to get this on Garden Guitar, Boys and Girls, and welcome here to Conan Gray's song. So I'm gonna look at this one. We use a capo here on the first fret. Alright, so with that we have 6, 7-ish chords. Let's do them together right now. So starting here with the A, that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And for this specific song, it really works well also. If you don't want to fight with all the fingers in this area here, you could just go with a bar, since we're gonna play mostly here on the bass strings. That means if you don't go down to the E, if you can avoid that, then it will work with a bar just on the second fret from the D string and down, so 4 strings, and you just strum here on the bass string. So that's it for A. Let's go over to D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have just this grip here that comes right after the D. What you can do here is to just release a couple fingers if you wish. The important thing here is to go up to the 4th fret on the A string. It's really enough to just hit that actually. You don't have to hold anything else besides from that, and do short downstrokes on the A and perhaps the D below the D string. And that's it. All right, I'm gonna explain how to handle that later. But the 4th fret A string, that will be pretty much the D chord, but with a C sharp in the bass. That's the chord. All right, over to next chord here. That is the F sharp minor. It's a bar chord. We play the bar on the 2nd fret. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. That's the F sharp minor. Then we have the C sharp minor. Another bar chord. You play the bar now on the 4th fret. You don't have to bar the last E string. So just 5 strings from bottom and up, and like this. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. You take the very same grip and move it 2 frets away from you, and you land with the bar finger there on the 2nd fret, and exact same grip will give you the B minor chord. So B minor, you bar the 2nd fret there, 5 strings, and then you add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So same grip as the C sharp minor, just 2 frets away from your body, this position. The final chord will be the E, and that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. All right, so let's go from the beginning and look at the verse. And the strumming pattern here will be about 4 downs. So if you grab the A, I hold the A in this classic way. You could go with the bar like I said, but anyway, go with the A there, and 1 string around will be down, 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 down. And I want to emphasize the 3rd down. So that means I'm gonna play on the bass strings on the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th down. But on the 3rd down, I'll go down a little bit and play in the mid top area down here to get the higher notes. So that is 1 string around. 4 downs in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you emphasize the 3rd. All right. So that's the strumming. Let's start with the verse. You're gonna play A for 3 string rounds. It goes. And then comes this little bit different style here. You're gonna do the D chord, 2 downs. And then the D, C sharp, where you just add the 4th fret on A string. You could actually release everything and do 2 downs on that as well. Short downstrokes on that string, perhaps the D string below. If you mute that string with the finger you're using there on the 4th A, you just lean on the top of the D string. It will be perfectly fine there. So 2 downs on that as well, and that will be 1 round. So A, 3 string rounds, 2 downs on the D chord, and 2 downs on the D, C chord, all right? So like this. that is 4 rounds, and that is your verse. Over to pre-chorus now. You're gonna continue the same strumming, and now you have F sharp minor, 2 string rounds, C sharp 2, D2, and B minor 2. Then F sharp minor 2, C sharp 2, and D4. And that is one pre-chorus. So F sharp 2, C sharp 2, D2, B minor 2, F sharp 2, C sharp 2, and D4. Then comes the chorus part. The chorus part here, you will play 2 rounds of the verse play. That means A, 3 string rounds, then D, 2 downs, and the DC, 2 downs. After that comes the F sharp minor, 2 string rounds, then E, 2 string rounds, then 2 downs on D and 2 downs on the DC. And then you're gonna play another round of the verse play, which means A, 3 string rounds, then 2 downs on D, and then 2 downs on the DC. So all that is one chorus part. I'm going to take you through that now, so let's go. A3, D, DC, D, DC, F sharp, E, D, D, DC, and then A3, D, DC. And then that's it for the chorus. I slept a little bit there in the middle of this chorus, but I think you understand that is the chorus part. And then you go back again, play the second round. Everything else there will be the same, all right? Then at 1 minute and 43 seconds into the song comes the bridge part. Okay, so at that bridge part, you're gonna play the pre-chorus, which is the F sharp minor 2, C sharp 2, D2, B minor 2, and all that. So you're gonna play all that for 1 round, so to speak, and then you're gonna play the final chords there in the same way as you did in the previous courses. No changes, and that wraps it up for Conan Gray's Boys and Girls. So with that title, I just had to bring it here on Gordon Guitar. So thank you for watching, and feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Much appreciated. Till next time, play tuned.